video here. I'm driving a Bradley, and I will try to increase my ammo. So I'll just go close to it. Right. So alright, I got 5 missile right now. Missile systems upgrade. So if you find a vehicle supply, just go near to it when you're driving an armored car.